Welcome to One Monroe. Our journey began in the 1950s in Monroe, Michigan, as a distributor of hardware components. Since then, we've evolved into a nationally recognized leader in industrial manufacturing. Let's take a look at a few of our locations and meet some of the people who help keep our operations running.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're switching things up and we're headed to Spokane, Washington to check out the One Monroe Linton facility. Have you ever wondered where all the internal fasteners and attachments of a computer come from? The answer to that question is Linton. Linton specializes in manufacturing electronic hardware, which includes all the small fasteners that attach the different components together in electronic devices, such as computers.
I am Matt Shelby, the general manager here at Linton, a One Monroe company. Linton is an American manufacturer, started off making terminals. We then evolved into making spacers and standoffs, which we're still known for today. Manufacturing here at Linton starts with raw material. You bring in 12-foot bars delivered to machines that are able to perform lots of different operations, shaving, turning, forming. Quality is important at each step of this process. We have 20 Davenport automatic screw machines, 18 CNC machines, 4 hydromats, support equipment as well, an EDM machine to make custom tooling.
Hi, I'm Matt Lebret. I'm Director of Manufacturing here at Linton, a Monroe company. Swiss lathes are known as stars, extraordinary machines with the ability to hold tight tolerances. Raw bar stock actually gets loaded into the back of the machine. A rotary transfer department. In that department, we have 3 hydromat 12-station machines, double production machine, which is a hydromat legacy, purchased at the beginning of the year with the help of Monroe. The Davenports, you're looking at about 3.1 to 3.6 seconds a piece. Anything within our catalog that's capable of running on those machines runs over there. We have 20 machines. On average, we're probably running 15 out of the 20.
These giant machines are used to manufacture all these small parts, each of them produced with quality and precision. Something that makes this company so unique is their ability to manufacture to print, meaning that they can make any custom part based on exact specifications to make exact replicas.
Hi, I'm Rick Zacher with One Monroe Linton. I work as the Director of Quality, Cost Estimator, and the CAD Drafter. The parts that we get come in as a sketch on a napkin or just a basic description of a part that they want. My job to kind of decipher what exactly that is, turn that into a print that the shop can use and understand.
Once parts have been manufactured off the machine, they will then go to our cleaning department. A lot of our stuff ends up in electronics. Chips or oil can negatively affect our end user of these parts. We do maintain a large inventory of in-stock products. Steel, stainless steel, brass, aluminum. These parts will go all over the world, all over the country. Lots of different manufacturers and for lots of different end uses. We all take pride in what we do, knowing the great legacy, the great reputation that Linton has in the industry and in the world. We want to make sure it continues on for future generations as well.
We want to give a special thanks to the team at Linton for having us in Spokane and for giving us an in-depth look at their daily operations.
Hi, my name is John Bogart. I'm Corporate Vice President of the Cable Group for One Monroe. One Monroe acquired the company I had run before, which was called Integro. That has done amazing things for us to help us implement our growth plans. Very supportive group. We now feel, being part of One Monroe, we can grow in certain verticals and be very successful and profitable.
Hi, my name is Michelle Skinnon. I am Vice President of Sales and Marketing for One Monroe Integro and One Monroe Cable Group. This company does a very good job all around making sure that not only are we meeting our customers' expectations, but we're exceeding their expectations. So in shipbuilding, we manufacture Navy-specified power distribution equipment to run all their welding systems and their lighting systems. In airfield lighting, we manufacture the isolation transformers and the connector kits that are used to power up the lights on the runway. So what we do here at Integro is not only do we offer these products to them, but we also go out and we'll train the installers on how to properly install our equipment before they start the project. The products that we manufacture for airfield lighting all need to be FAA certified. There are some strict specifications that we need to follow. These products need to be bulletproof. Our culture is that we work together as a team, all departments, to provide the best to our customer and to the end users. At Integro, not only me, but also some of our engineers, we go out to the field quite frequently. We work with engineers, electrical contractors, project managers on projects that are taking place at the airports and on Navy shipyards. We go out there not only to develop a relationship with the customer, but also to walk around the field and see what types of products they're using and how we can make those products or equipment better for them. So everything that we build here is very custom, it's built to order, so we have to make sure that every department understands what these requirements are, so we are delivering only the best to our customers.
My name's Robert Wagner. I've been with the Monroe organization for about 2.5 years, working here with their North Branford, Connecticut facility. If I was asked what I think our greatest strengths are, I would say it'd have to be our staff. We have a very well-tenured staff made up of a bunch of long-time employees with a lot of experience in the industry, mixed in with some newly acquired talent. Over the last couple of years, we've also made a point of identifying and developing rock stars within the operation and allowing them to grow. And in the end, what we end up with is a very incredible team that excels in all aspects of the operation, from supply chain management, sourcing materials, production, quality, in the end, overall, just servicing the customer. And I think we do a great job of that.
Hi, I'm Steve Sweet. I've been with One Monroe for, been in this facility for over 30 years. Our tight control of the job as it's going through the shop is improving and has been a very exciting aspect of our business. And One Monroe has been very helpful in improving that situation.
My name is Jeff Abelli. I've been here for about 2.5 years. I'm a quality engineer. And they brought me on to help improve our quality and improve our efficiency. I've been working a lot on our processes and process control.
One of the advantages of being acquired by a company like One Monroe is the available resources, right? So you take the limited resources we might have as a small entity here in North Branford, Connecticut, to suddenly having, you know, these far-reaching tentacles that go throughout the country and even across the world. And so that's one of the advantages we have with belonging to One Monroe.
I'm Scott Bessinger. I'm the general manager with Monroe Seals. We're the rubber parts and seal division of the One Monroe group of companies. We are a gasket manufacturer and an industrial distributor of custom molded and extruded rubber, as well as O-rings and seals. We work with a broad range of customers, from small to large. It could be an inventor with a new product idea, all the way up to the large OEMs. We're big in commercial vehicles, filter companies, valve manufacturers, aerospace. We pretty much, consumer products, we get into it all. Well, I like to think of us as application experts. Between our management team and our sales team, we have over 100 years of experience in the rubber industry. So if a customer comes to us with an application problem, I feel as though we're the experts that can provide the solution for that problem. Well, being part of the One Monroe family, we can be a full service provider. So not only can we provide the gaskets and the O-rings and extruded and molded rubber, we could also supply hardware, industrial supplies, fasteners through any one of our many One Monroe branches.
I'm Shane with One Monroe. We're here inside of one of our customers' manufacturing facilities. Behind me is our crib area. So this is something that we manage 100% VMI for them. So we're in here once a week. We will basically keep track of everything for them. We will put stuff away. That way they have everything they need when they need it. So we partner with a company called Shuffleware. It's basically an RFID tagging system. We did it with them because it's very easy to implement in a couple days. We're able to basically take a label, put it onto a product, and we can track this tag as it goes to the facility. So right now, if you take this tag, you scan it out, we would run a report at the end of the week, and it'll basically tell us everything that they scanned out, and we'd be able to bring it back and take it. So right now, this current system is set up in a consignment, so they are not paying for it until they use it. So all this has currently been One Monroe owned, and we're able to do that for a lot of customers. This bin system currently was started at like 2 or 3 products, and then we've grown that to over 275. One, through vendor consolidation. A lot of times we will talk to other vendors or manufacturers. We'll buy more things in bulk. We'll bring that in and do that. That way we don't have to send as many POs. We also do things like trying to get better pricing and going through other things where we're trying to win prices for that stuff. So timing on something like this is set up probably 1 to 2 weeks. The main thing is trying to get a list of items that you want to set up in the system. Once we get that, a table and a setup takes about 2 to 3 days to put in, and we can go live immediately. So, and again, as this is going, there's a min-max set up for each item. And then we try to keep 2 to 3 weeks inventory on hand at all times. That way if production increases, we're able to keep up with that and everything runs smoothly. So a lot of times we'll start doing items for different customers, and let's say they're like, hey, I have a vendor that I only send 1 PO to a month. Is this something you can take care of? We'll try to see if we can source that, cross it. We'll actually contact the original manufacturer to see if they can just do it for us. We'll buy more inventory and hopefully we can give you a better pricing, and that's the way we expand through a lot of different items. Through that, through customer service, obviously we're here every week. We see things that, hey, we might be able to identify that we can also help with. So if we take that and we say, hey, let us see if we can do that for you, we'll get you a better price, and then we can add it to the system. And then literally to add an item to a system takes seconds. It's through a web-based system, so you're able to see all the inventory that's sitting in your current location at all times. So we have access to that, as well do our customers.
I'm Jim Williams with Hansen Rivet. Hansen Rivet was founded in 1929 and in the last 46 years have become a leading supplier of all types of rivets, threaded inserts, and installation equipment. We carry all types of rivet equipment, starting with a hand clincher you hit with a hammer, all the way up to automatic feed rivet machines. We even sell refurbished rivet machines, and we have a complete repair department with 3 mechanics. That we're not just order takers. Some of our competitors are, but we train our employees and our sales team, which is about 10 people.
Hi, I'm Grant McCullough. I'm the sales manager here at One Monroe Company, Hansen Rivet. What sets us apart is we're very technical. Any customer that calls us, we're going to be asking specific questions. We're not just part number people. Specific questions as opposed to what's the part number, what's the quantity.
AutoFast is an auto-feed blind riveting system. We manufacture the tool and we put rivets on plastic tape that feed through the tool, kind of like a Gatling gun. Basically, you can set a rivet every second, a blind rivet every second, versus picking up a rivet, putting it in a tool, and fastening your product.
My name is Timothy Arnold with Hansen Rivet, a One Monroe company. What sets us apart is our customer service oriented strategies, as well as us outside sales guys are able to go to the customer to help at their location, go out and keep their production lines running. If there's any issues with the product or with an application, we go out and help fix the problem.
Good afternoon, Rob Sattler from One Monroe. I'm a manager at the IRA division. There are 4 areas that are key for our business. Number 1 is CNC machining. We have a whole line of CNC machining centers in the shop here. And the other side is assembly. So we can do machining and then assemble for our customers. We can also do design and build of things such as robot end-of-arm tools, pallet fixtures, work holding fixtures for customers. Finally, we have a CMM department for our own in-process inspection. Customers who need inspection, certification of details, or assembly. Our prime example, what our shop was set up for a number of years ago, was customers who had pallet fixtures for such things as engine, transmission, or rear axle assemblies. Nowadays, the pallet fixtures are putting together electric drive motors for electric vehicles. We're using the same types of technologies for the new vehicles that are out there. It's very interesting. But the pallet fixtures are highly precise and they come in quantities of maybe 20 to 500 for a system. That's a really good project for us. Robot end-of-arm tools are another really nice job. Our customers can do the engineering, and it's something that they can hand off to an outsourced company like us with great confidence. We finish, give them something complete that they can hang on the robot and they know it works. We have fantastic confidence by our customers in us, in our capabilities to do this type of work. We also do assembly and test stations. We can design and build those or build them to the customer's specifications. And we can do all the parts, pieces, commercials, assemble and test here.
Hi, I'm Lance Cajar, the Quality Manager of GMA. We are a certified AS 9100 9001 facility and registered with the U.S. Department of State for ITAR. What we do here is we build printed circuit board assemblies. How we ensure our effectiveness through departments is that we have a weekly production status meeting, and what sets us apart is our quality and our on-time delivery to meet and exceed our customers' expectations. We take pride in what we do. We take ownership. Our KPIs are on-time delivery and on-time delivery for external providers, but that also means keeping people interested, keeping people informed, keeping people involved.
My name is Jason Allen. I am the General Manager of One Monroe, Tempe, Arizona. I have a crew of 25 employees, roughly. The team is well seasoned. One of the great qualities of a successful printed circuit board assembly company would be its people, its employees. Well, what we're challenged with on a daily basis is all types of assemblies, anywhere from aerospace to defense to commercial to medical.
My name is Dave Good. I'm a project manager here at GMA Manufacturing. What I do here at GMA is take customer drawings and requests for a quote, analyze all of the information that they have and turn that into information that can be used, and then I manage that project through the company. There's not very many printed wiring board assemblies that a person could want that we couldn't do.
Everything that leaves our facility has been through multiple inspections, whether it's a post inspection, a surface mount inspection, automated optical inspection, and what we call a QA2, quality assurance, second inspection before it goes out the door.
Some of the real advantages that we bring to a lot of our customers is from start to finish. I think there's a lot we can offer from design and engineering. A lot of our customers, these mid-sized customers, where they may not have all the resources that these larger corporations have. So a lot of customers may come to us with a concept or an idea, and they can work collectively with our engineers to help design and develop their product. We can do some prototypes. We can then obviously source a low-cost region manufacturing for overseas. And then along with that, we establish, the logistics of it. We're coordinating the shipping, we're coordinating the warehousing here, and then helping distribute it out of our location to various locations they may have. So in fact, in a lot of ways, we're really an extension of a lot of our customers' business model. We're a true partnership is what we bring to them. So I think in today's economy, a lot of customers have downsized, and so by partnering with us, we bring a lot of that teamwork to them, and it's a lot more scalable. They don't have to hire a whole engineering department. They don't have to hire a whole logistics department. They don't have to hire a QC team and go into China and check their product before it ships out. In fact, same thing, we have containers coming in to our facility every day, shipping out of many different ports out of China, so they're not going to fill up a whole container. They may have a small number of parts that they can combine with our shipments. It's a lot more cost effective. And as I mentioned, also we have the quality control. We can go over there and send our inspectors in to check the product prior to shipping. We still have another level of inspection here. So once it comes in here, we do another hands-on inspection. And then we have warehousing. We can stock X number of months worth of product. So a customer isn't forced to take 6 months or a year's worth of product all at one time. So in fact, we're doing a lot more to help them and give them an advantage over their competition.